What's up everyone, this is Joe again. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to unbox Oppo F9. If you're new to this channel, please smash that subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload new video. I do unboxing, review, and DIY on this channel. Oppo F9 was released August 2018. It comes with 3 colors, Sunlight Red, Twilight Blue, and the Starry Purple. This one here comes with 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage. It houses MTK P60 processor and a Mali-G72 MP3 800MHz as GPU. It has a built-in 3500 mAh battery, enough to take the whole day of usage. Oppo claims that 5 minutes charge could take 2 hours of talk time. Nice and slim. The notch is small enough to fit the 25MP front-facing camera, and they place the speaker above it. Screen on and off button on the right, and the volume button is on the left side with the SIM tray above it. It can accommodate 2 SIM cards, and it have its own slot for SD card, so you don't have to sacrifice one SIM to insert SD card. It has 3.5mm headphone jack, a speaker grille, a micro USB charging port. At the back is a fingerprint sensor and 2 rear-facing camera. It's a 16MP and 2MP sensor camera. Here are some sample photos I take so that you'll have an idea what's the quality it renders. I'm surprised with the result it renders. The image is clear and sharp, especially the front-facing camera. Overall, this smartphone is great. The build quality looks premium. It's a great deal for 17,990 pesos. That's it for now guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. Smash that subscribe button below to get notification when I upload new video. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video.